Okay, I'm just going to take this prop off. I got a whole bunch of braided iron wound up in it, so I'm going to take that off. I see that I have an oil leak here, so I was going to do a prop and a um, water pump, but we'll be investigating that too. I know that a lot of my stuff looks old. Everything I got, whether I bought it new or used, it was probably a lot better shape. By the time I'm done with it, you won't have to say, has that been used? Because I use it. I just had this prop redone not too long ago. It don't take long. You get into fishing line for it to wrap up in there. There we go. I'll get that picked up so I don't have to take it off the mower blades. Okay. Well, while I was taking the string, the fishing line out of my propeller, I noticed I got oil running out of my water intake screen. So we're going to find out why. I don't know. Anybody that's ever or hasn't taken these off before, I'll show you how this works. It's this screw, when you screw in this side, is actually screwing in to the back side of this one, and then the opposite on the bottom. The oil is actually coming in right up around that shift rod, right there where you
Oh, yeah, I think the shoes with the pink inside. I think they were the bands or something.
do this here. You got to take and slide this nut up, and there's a little keeper underneath there that will that holds that nut on there. Slide that nut up. You can see these this little keeper right here. See, it's split in two, and it comes right off. It just comes right off, just like that. And basically just like the other one, but on a smaller scale. But anyhow, here's the water pump on this one, and we'll be changing that out. And we'll also be seeing why we're leaking all this oil. Obviously there's a seal or something bad there.